Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So friends, are you a person who is worried about the present market condition where you can see lot of swing movements, lot of zigzag movements, lot of volatility, lot of W shape, M shape, etc., whatever you call it. Ultimately, market is behaving very differently compared to the previous years whenever we used to do backtest. If at all you're worried about such kind of market changes, change in the market structure, then let me tell you, there is a fundamental change which I also have done in my trading style, after which I'm able to cope up with the present market conditions. So what is that fundamental change which I have done to my trading style? No, I'm not talking about changing in the strategy. Strategies will remain the same. Don't go to change the strategy. But there is a slight change in the fundamentals of trading which you need to do. So let me explain to you how is that and what is that I have done. So previously in all my strategies, which at all, if at all you would have observed my strategies, followed my strategies on YouTube, you would have seen, I always tell you to keep stop losses and then book your targets end of the day. This was an approach which I used to follow and it was working beautifully. But now onwards, I have changed my trading approach in this. I am not going to keep my targets end of the day because markets are reversing. So so what I have done now is that I started keeping a risk reward ratio of 1:2 and book my targets as well. So what I mean by that is that in case if your stop loss is 50 points, then whenever market reaches 100 points, I am booking partial profits and then remaining quantity I am trailing it. Right. Why is this approach? Because in case if the market reverses also, I am not going to lose the profits which I made. That is a major reason of doing this, and also to cope up with the present market condition, this is a very much big necessity. So if any of you are following any of my strategies which I've uploaded already, which I've taught to you, and if you're waiting till end of the day, then I would say please do follow these changes. And this, mind you, these are all for the directional trading strategies. This is not for the non-directional trading. But non-directional trading, we mean the straddles and all those things, right? So in that you need to wait till end of the day, only then you'll get the premium decay. But in case if you're following my directional trades, whichever I taught you, then please keep a target of 1:2 and book half of your quantity. And once you book half of your quantity, the remaining quantity you can move to the stop loss, move to the initial price and then keep trailing it. Right? So this is one fundamental change which I have made. I thought I need to update you also, need to let you also know all about this. So please do make this change. Please do the back test as well, and then you'll find to understand how it has helped you in such present market condition when the volatility is very high and when the markets are reversing regularly. This has really helped you. So please do back test as well. You'll get a lot of confidence in this. Thank you and have a nice day.